If you're like most people, you probably don't give much thought to your toothbrush. After all, it's just a tool for cleaning your teeth, right? Wrong. Your toothbrush is actually one of the most important tools in your oral hygiene arsenal. A good toothbrush can make a huge difference to your oral health, and an ultrasonic toothbrush is even better. Ultrasonic toothbrushes use high-frequency vibrations to clean your teeth and gums more effectively than a manual or electric toothbrush can. They're also much gentler, making them an excellent choice for sensitive brushers. But finding the right toothbrush can be tricky, given the fact that there are countless potentially great options out there. That's why we've created this list of top-quality ultrasonic toothbrushes in 2023 that are both effective and gentle for your pearly whites. Number 1. Bitvee Ultrasonic Toothbrush. The Bitvee Ultrasonic Toothbrush is an effective way to maintain a healthy and radiant smile. Featuring 40,000 strokes per minute, this toothbrush is designed for improved oral hygiene, removing up to 7x more stains than manual brushing. The toothbrush has 5 distinct modes to suit various needs and conditions of teeth and gums. With soft W-shaped bristles and sonic technology, users can thoroughly clean hard-to-reach areas. The built-in timer pulses every 30 seconds to ensure dentist-recommended brushing habits and help you keep track of time. Sonic electric toothbrush with 5 mode for adults and kids. Clean for daily cleaning, white for removal of stubborn stains, polish for brighter teeth, soft for first-time users or sensitive teeth, gum care for improving gums health and blood circulation. This ultrasonic toothbrush features IPX7 waterproof design, making it safe to use in the shower or bath. It also boasts a 4-hour charging time with up to 30 days of use. The toothbrush is an all-in-one package offering effective clean with long-lasting use. Number 2. Colgate Ultrasonic Toothbrush. The Colgate Ultrasonic Toothbrush set includes an electric toothbrush, 2 batteries, 1 extra head, and a carrying case. This smart toothbrush is designed specifically for adults, and the awesome thing about it is that it works with an app to enhance your brushing routine. This ultrasonic toothbrush can be connected through Bluetooth to the Hum by Colgate app to track your individual brushing style. Based on the data that it collects, the app will identify any spots you tend to miss while brushing, helping you benefit from a more thorough cleaning experience. It's also available in a couple of attractive colors, and you'll be able to choose from a light green or a light blue look. This ultrasonic toothbrush's powerful motor offers 2 modes to cater to your specific brushing needs. One mode is for regular teeth, while the other is for sensitive teeth. It features a 2-minute reminder to improve your brushing routine, and its smart reordering feature can help remind you to order a new brush head when yours is getting near the end of its usefulness. Number 3. Aquasonic Ultrasonic Toothbrush. The Aquasonic Ultrasonic Toothbrush comes in a pack of 2 smart brushes, one black and one white. Both brushes are waterproof and feature a high-quality motor and lithium battery, and they can each operate at 40,000 vibrations per minute, (VPM), on just one charge for up to a month. The wireless charging stand that comes with these ultrasonic toothbrushes will automatically sanitize them using UV rays, which the manufacturer claims can cut down on germs by over 99%. Not only that, but they also come with 10 brush heads and 2 handy travel cases. Thanks to their long-lasting battery and efficient germ-killing design, this ultrasonic toothbrush set is our top pick. This toothbrush has the American Dental Association seal of approval, which means it offers premium oral care. Although it's slightly expensive, it ticks all the boxes of a high-quality ultrasonic toothbrush, from its multiple cleaning modes and travel-friendly nature to its long-lasting battery. Number 4. 7M2M Ultrasonic Toothbrush. The 7M2M Ultrasonic Toothbrush is ideal for anyone who might not remember to charge their device. Don't worry, we've all been there. That's because it charges pretty quickly, and a single charge lasts for around 3 months with regular use. This ultrasonic toothbrush has a sleek, slim design, and it's available in a wide range of colors. You'll receive 6 replacement heads along with it, with each head offering 3 months of use before it will need to be changed. This means you'll be set for a year and a half of high-quality, convenient brushing, so why wouldn't you opt for this ultrasonic toothbrush? Its soft bristles can thoroughly clean your teeth using 5 different modes, which is in large part thanks to the brush head's W design. There's also a smart timer that will let you know when you've brushed everywhere you need to for the recommended 2 minutes. Number 5. Dentsley Ultrasonic Toothbrush. If you're looking for a toothbrush with enough replacement heads to last you throughout the year, the Dentsley Ultrasonic Toothbrush is perfect. It comes with a pack of 8 replacement heads as well as a head cover to keep everything safe from dust. Each brush head lasts for 3 months, meaning this ultrasonic toothbrush set can have you good to go for a full 2 years. The bristles are made of soft, flexible nylon that makes it easy to clean tough corners, no matter which of its various brushing modes you're using. Besides a powerful motor, this ultrasonic toothbrush also has a long-lasting battery that lasts for 30 days on a single charge. Its built-in 2-minute timer improves your brushing routine, while a 30-second timer reminds you to change up where you're brushing.